The Election Commission is gearing up to hold the vice presidential elections as early as possible. The sudden resignation by Jagdeep Dhankar from his position on the first day of the monsoon session has left the key constitutional post of vice president now vacant. Dhankar resigned citing health concerns, but political insiders suggest other reasons behind his exit. Sources reveal that Dhankar's handling of the opposition's impeachment motion against current Allahabad High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Verma escalated tensions with the Narendra Modi government. The government at the centre wanted the impeachment process to start in the Lok Sabha. Dhankar's move could have foiled the government's consensus push. The motion moved in the Rajya Sabha did not have NDA MPs' signatures. The government could have seen it as a breach of faith by Vice President and the Chair of the House, Jagdeep Dhankar. The opposition is now targeting the centre, alleging that Dhankar's resignation was due to serious conflicts between the government and the Vice President.
सरकार जवाब देना चाहिए वो क्यों रिजाइन करे, कारण क्या है, इसके पीछे क्या राज है। हमको तो ऐसा दिख रहा है कि दाल में कुछ काला है, नहीं तो उनका हेल्थ भी ठीक है। वो हमेशा तो आरएसएस और बीजेपी को इतना डिफेंड करते थे, शायद ही वो खुद आरएसएस और बीजेपी के लोग नहीं करते थे।
देखिए, जो इस्तीफे की बात है, तो जो हम लोगों को जानकारी मिली है स्वास्थ्य को लेकर के, तो इसमें हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं, किसी का व्यक्तिगत फैसला है और स्वास्थ्य को लेकर के, तो क्या राजनीति के मायने निकालें इसमें।
The government leaders, meanwhile, are not responding to the charges. Prime Minister Modi on Tuesday posted a message wishing Dhankar good health.
Dhankarji is a man of great integrity, man of great intellect and ability, and his legal acumen is brilliant, and a man of high political acumen, political wisdom. I think when he does something, I think maybe in a health perspective, I think we have to see it in the right perspective. There is no need to make a different. There is no need to look at another some kind of perspective which Congress are looking at.
For now, the mystery behind Jagdeep Dhankar's resignation remains a subject of intense debate. With Milan Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.